In this video, I am doing a DIY facial scrub that would help brighten your skin. It will get rid of blackheads and improve your facial skin in general. So guys, you want to stay tuned for this and you are going to thank me later. Hi guys, my name is Yeti Glam. You're welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time on this channel, thank you so much for stopping by, and if you are a returning subscriber, it is always a pleasure to have you. Guys, please support this channel by clicking the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. And please guys, kindly give this video a big thumbs up and do not hesitate to share the video. So let the video begin. For this DIY face scrub, we are going to be using two ingredients, which is lemon and sugar. Okay, alright guys, this lemon actually came from my mom's backyard, so you want to cut it up. Cut up the lemon like closer to the head of the lemon, just a little bit. You don't need half of the lemon, just the top of the lemon. And then we are going to sprinkle some sugar. There's really no measurement. You just want the sugar, sprinkle some sugar on it, because the sugar is actually what we will use to exfoliate the skin. Okay, so this is a lemon with the sugar sprinkled on it. All right, so you just want to go in and this lemon is quite big. Well, basically, just go in. You have to be careful with your eyes. You can also do the lips as well. It helps. If you actually feel like you're not getting that exfoliation going on, you can add some more sugar. Yes, you can. I actually used this method, or should I say recipe, when it was coming up to my wedding, and there was huge improvement on my skin. I did it like a week before my wedding. I was doing it every day, but you don't have to do it every day. You can actually do it like 3 times a week, because lemon can be quite harsh on your skin, so you can just do it like 2-3 times a week, and I can guarantee that you will definitely see improvement. Yes. Okay, so just exfoliate until you are satisfied, until you feel like you cannot exfoliate any longer. I'm just kidding. Just just do this to your satisfaction, really. And then just do it for about 3 minutes. You can wash it off with your tap water. That's room temperature water. Yeah. And let me just say that there's so much goodness in lemon, especially the vitamin C that it contains, and that's what really helps your skin. It's very good for the skin. So please give it a try. And please guys, leave comments in the comment section below on your thoughts on this particular scrub. Give it a try and come back to leave comments down below. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, I'm back from washing the scrub off my face. Alright, so at this point you can go ahead with your moisturizer and just go ahead and moisturize your facial skin. And honestly, love the way my face feels right now. It just feels so refreshed and I want to encourage you to give the scrub a try. Honestly, you will come back and say thank you. And please share your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, do not forget to share this video so I can get more likes, and also give this video a big thumbs up. You can check out my other videos. I'm going to leave the link in the description box below, or you can click the video right after this video. It's gonna come up on the end screen. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Stay blessed, and please kindly subscribe. Thank you. Bye.